हे गाइस, आई एम मिस्टर रिलेटेबल। आज का वीडियो मिडिल क्लास लोगों के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। आज हम जानेंगे ₹50,000 सैलरी का बेस्ट बजट ब्रेकडाउन। स्टे ट्यून्ड। Every month, millions of Indians wait for this one message. और ऑनेस्टली उस टाइम पे थोड़ा रिलीफ फील होता है। यू थिंक इस बार थोड़ी सेविंग्स करूँगा, इस बार बजट मेंटेन करूँगा, दिस मंथ विल बी डिफरेंट। बट देन द रियलिटी किक्स इन। EMIs, पेट्रोल, ग्रॉसरीज, पेरेंट्स की मेडिसिन, अनएक्सपेक्टेड एक्सपेंसेस, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल, ये सब आ जाते हैं। एंड देन एट द एंड ऑफ द मंथ यू आर अगेन स्टेयरिंग एट योर बैंक बैलेंस। यू थिंक दैट इतना तो काम करता हो फिर भी फाइनेंशियली सिक्योर क्यों फील नहीं होता मुझे। एंड दैट फीलिंग हर्ट्स बिकॉज मिडिल क्लास पीपल आर नॉट लेजी। वो लोग हार्ड वर्क करते हैं, समटाइम्स टू मच हार्ड वर्क। बट द प्रॉब्लम इज नो बडी टीचर्स इज हाउ टू मैनेज द मनी प्रॉपरली। Schools taught us equations, college taught us assignments, but nobody taught us investing, budgeting, emergency fund, child education planning, retirement planning or wealth creation. And that's why बहुत लोग को बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है। एंड इसी वजह से बहुत लोग पूरी ज़िंदगी सर्वाइव करते रहते हैं। बट टुडे आई वांट टू चेंज दैट बिकॉज सैलरी तो इम्पोर्टेंट है ही, बट सिस्टम ऑफ हाउ टू मैनेज योर मनी उससे भी ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। आज का वीडियो आपके लिए क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है? बिकॉज यू आर अर्निंग अराउंड ₹50,000, यू आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स, यू आर प्लानिंग योर ओन मैरिज, यू आर बिल्डिंग योर फैमिली, और यू आर क्रिएटिंग योर वेल्थ, और यू आर फाइनेंशियली स्टक। बिकॉज 50,000 सैलरी इन इंडिया इज़ अ वेरी स्ट्रेंज जोन। आप डेफिनेटली पुअर तो नहीं हो, बट आप रिच भी फील नहीं करते। यू कैन सर्वाइव कंफर्टेबली, बट वन बैड इमरजेंसी क्रिएट्स अ प्रॉब्लम। इट कैन शेक एवरीथिंग। एंड दैट इज़ वाई मोस्ट पीपल आर स्ट्रेस्ड थ्रू आउट। सैलरी आती है, सैलरी जाती है, और ये सब लूप पे चलता रहता है। नो सेविंग्स, नो इन्वेस्टमेंट, नो लॉन्ग टर्म प्लानिंग। एंड फिर 10 साल बाद रियलाइज़ होता है दैट इतना काम किया पर फिर भी फाइनेंशियली ग्रो क्यों नहीं कर पाए। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू मेक अ परफेक्ट प्रैक्टिकल ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ ₹50,000 सैलरी। नो फेक फाइनेंस गुरु एडवाइस, जस्ट रियल मिडिल क्लास रियलिटी। You know what's scary? There are people earning 30,000 and stressed, 50,000 and stressed, 1,20,000 and stressed, because money alone does not create peace, but money management does. So let's talk about two friends over here. Karan, who is earning 50,000 rupees a month, and Samir, who is earning 1,20,000 rupees a month. So logically, Samir should feel financially relaxed, but that's not the case because his expenses are also exploded. Luxury apartment, car EMIs, weekend parties, expensive lifestyle. But Karan, on the other hand, starts SIP, emergency fund and savings. And धीरे धीरे उसका financial peace बढ़ने लगा. And that's when you realize financial peace is less about salary and more about control. आजकल एक और dangerous problem है, comparison. When you open social media आजकल, you see shopping malls, expensive cafes, luxury cars and luxury apartments. And suddenly normal life भी boring लगता है. But remember this, most people online show lifestyle, but they never talk about liabilities. Comparison will destroy the financial peace faster than low income. Indian middle class life is different. Western budgeting usually means my income, my expenses. Indian budgeting means parents, siblings, marriage, future children, emergencies, social pressure, one salary, multiple responsibilities. A father earning ₹50,000 salary a month will not wake up thinking, how will I look rich? He thinks स्कूल की फीस भरनी है, पेरेंट्स की मेडिसिन लेनी है, बिल्स मैनेज करना है, फ्यूचर सिक्योर करना है। एंड दैट्स व्हाट इंडियन मिडिल क्लास रियलिटी इज। मिडिल क्लास पीपल लग्जरी नहीं, रिलीफ चेस करते हैं। नाउ लेट्स बिल्ड अ आइडियल ₹50,000 सैलरी बजट। कैटेगरी 1, एसेंशियल्स। 50% of your salary should go to the essentials. That is, this money is needed to survive. They are the needs, not your wants. ₹25,000 of your salary should go to essentials. So let's break down the essentials. A. Rent. Keep the rent to rupees 12,000. दिस इज़ अ वन डेंजरस ट्रैप. बहुत लोग यहाँ पे सक्सेसफुल बनने के लिए लग्जरी अपार्टमेंट रेंट पे ले लेते हैं एंड देन दे फाइनेंशियली स्ट्रगल. बी, ग्रॉसरीज, रुपीज़ 6,000. इंडियन हाउस होल्ड स्मार्ट प्लानिंग से बहुत पैसे सेव कर सकते हैं, बट द इमोशनल स्पेंडिंग ruins द बजट. बैड मूड, ऑर्डर फूड. बोर्ड, लेट्स गो शॉपिंग. एंड इवेंचुअली these small habits creates financial pressure. C, utilities, rupees 3,000, includes electricity, mobile plans, Wi-Fi, gas, all the other bills. D, petrol or travel, rupees 4,000. So manage this money wisely for petrol, going on drives or something, or travel with family in the month, and please maintain this budget. So important tip over here, if your expenses increase with the increase in income, you'll always feel that financial pressure. Category 2, investments. 30% of your salary should be allocated to investments. This will change your future life. Many people save money, but very few people grow money. So in the investment, you have to do the mutual funds SIP. So make this SIPs divided into 4 parts. Part A, rupees 6,000. That's a normal SIP. You don't need crypto obsession or market volatility checking. Just need the consistency so that your money will grow. For example, rupees 6,000 saved for 25 years will give you about 1 crore of rupees. B, emergency fund, rupees 2,000. Emergency fund sounds boring until life hits unexpectedly. And trust me, life becomes expensive suddenly. Includes layoff, medical emergencies, repairs, family situations. So that is important to allocate some of your salary to your emergency fund. C, retirement, rupees 3,000. One painful truth in India, most people sacrifice their retirement for their children, and now many depend on their children for the same very needs. So that may be love, but it is also very painful. In these times, it is very important that you are financially stable and you secure your future as well. While children may be available for you emotionally, but they may or may not carry the entire financial future of yours. D, family and children, rupees 4,000. This is about the future responsibility. Child education. Education inflation in India is terrifying. A course which might be rupees 10 lakhs today will be 25 to 30 lakhs some years down the line. You know what hurts the middle class parents a lot? Not their very own struggle. If they cannot provide the means or the opportunities to their children, that is the most painful part. Category 3, enjoy your life too, rupees 5,000. The most dangerous part on social media content online is it makes people guilty for enjoying their life. That is very unhealthy. Reality, you should travel sometimes, buy clothes sometimes, eat food outside, enjoy with your friends. Life cannot become the salary, bills and sleep. You should enjoy your life, and that is what I want you to do, guys. Money should improve life, not remove happiness from it. Category 4, self-growth, rupees 2,500. This category is what most people ignore, and that is the reason why their income stays stagnant. You should take up certifications, network, fitness, online courses, build your own confidence, bring up your personality, and this is where you should invest in every month. So that's the thing. The best investment is skill your earning ability. One upgraded course can double your salary faster than what savings can do. You know what the middle class people really want? Not Lamborghinis, not luxury watches. They want parents healthy हो, child educated हो, bills time पे भर जाए, and रात को peaceful sleep आ जाए. And that's what they are working for. And that's the dream, my friends. Financial planning is not about becoming rich overnight. It's about gradually reducing their stress, building stability slowly, creating peace slowly, and trust me, rupees 50,000 salary is enough for that if your habits are strong. So next time जब salary आए, don't just ask what is it I should spend on. Instead, ask yourself what future I am building. If this video felt too relatable, send it to someone who works hard but still feels financially stressed. And middle class people don't become rich overnight. वो slowly strong बनते हैं through discipline and consistency. So my mission is to give you reality checks, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, follow this plan, have a great life, and enjoy your life too simultaneously, because that's the most important part about money. Enjoy your life, keep it in budget, and take good care.